shuttle valves mainly consist of the 200 series, 204 series, and 205 series pneumatically controlled shuttle valves. The following section provides a detailed introduction to the 204 series pneumatically controlled shuttle valve. This is our 204 series pneumatically controlled shuttle valve. It is available in two types, 2-piece and 1-piece. Upon receiving the product, first shut off and relieve the pipeline pressure, and clean the pipeline. Ensure there are no impurities in the pipeline. When installing a flanged valve, the bolts on both end flangers must be tightened evenly. When tightening the bolts on one side, rotation should be limited to less than 1 turn. Do not fully tighten one side at once, as this causes uneven stress and affects performance. Before disassembling the valve, close the pipeline and relieve the pressure. Be aware of the hazards posed by high pressure or hazardous media in the pipeline. Disassembling the valve cover, piston, and valve core screw. When disassembling the valve, first secure the valve body or valve cover. Use a hex key to remove the 6 external hex socket screws one by one. Then remove the piston. Next, use a hex key to turn the valve core screw inside the valve body counterclockwise to remove it. Next, remove the piston ring from the piston. Note: do not use sharp-edged tools for disassembly, to avoid scratching components or losing parts. Remove the O-ring and Y-seal from the valve body. Next, remove the Y-seal and O-ring from the valve cover. Reassembling the piston. When installing the piston ring, first apply an appropriate amount of lubricating grease evenly to the piston seal groove. Then fit the piston ring into the groove. Finally, apply a uniform layer of lubricating grease to the outer circumference of the piston ring, replacing the valve cover O-ring and sealing gasket. Take the new O-ring and Y-seal. Apply lubricating grease to the groove. Install the O-ring and Y-seal back into the valve cover. After installing the seals, apply lubricating grease to the outer surface of the seals. Installation is complete. Valve body seal replacement. Replacing the valve body O-ring and Y-seal. First, apply lubricating grease evenly to the groove. Install the O-ring and Y-seal in sequence. Note: when installing the Y-seal, the lip must face downward. After installing the seals, apply lubricating grease to the outer surface of the seals. Installation is complete. Valve core screw replacement. Take a new valve core screw. Apply thread locker to the threads. Thread the valve core screw clockwise into the threaded hole in the center of the valve body. Then tighten using a hex key of the appropriate size. Reassembling the valve body and valve cover. First, align the piston with the valve body. Ensure the indicator rod aligns with the hole in the valve body. Align the valve cover with the valve body. Finally, reinstall the 6 screws. After reassembly is complete, the valve should be bench tested and confirmed to pass before being reinstalled in the pipeline.